In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by launching one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. When you're ready, use this icon at the top right corner of it. And as you can see now, I can use it in this tiny window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. If you wish to use your app in full screen view, click at the top left corner. To turn it into a bubble instead, click on this little icon of a line, also at the top left corner. Then to access your app, tap on the bubble. If you want to remove your window, you can click on the top right corner of it, or turn it into a bubble and drag it to remove section at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!